Mošomi wa moepo o hlokofetše ba bangwe ba bane ba gobetše morago ga go kgakgelwa ka tlase ga lefase ka moepong wa Beatrix kgauswi le Theunissen ka Free State. Ba babedi ba maemong a hlobaetšago mola ba bangwe ba babedi ba gobetše gannyane.
Maobane re fumane mohala o tswa Beatrix mine o ketapele ya teng re tsebisa ka kotsi e la etsala mokoting ya ama basebetsi ba bahlano mme basebetsi ba bahlano a le mongwe la re sia ba babedi ba ntse ba le bookelong mme maemo a bona a matle re batla go fedisa matsediso re le mokgatlho wa AMCO ba ba lahlehetsweng mme ebile re batla re lakaletsa mahlonolo ba ba ntse ba le bookelong gore modimo ka ba etsa hantle.
We regret to inform that a tragic incident at our Beatrix gold operation in the Free State on the 30th of November 2021 resulted in a fatal injury to one employee, with 4 other employees being seriously injured. The 4 employees who were injured are currently being treated at a hospital in Welkom, and support is being provided to their families and the family of the deceased.